Hey everyone, this is Lisa. I've recently learned that some of you may not know how to see the detailed feedback I left you on your research proposal. So I want to show you how to access those comments in Canvas. Now, I do not have the same interface for Ling 163 as you do because I'm coded as a teacher and not a student. So in order to show you how to see your comments for your research proposal, I'm going to have to show you what it looks like on my end for a different class where I was a student and received feedback from my professor. So this is what you're going to want to do, except in the Ling 163 class. So I'm going to open up one of my former classes. And over here on the left, I'm going to click on grades. And then you'll see all the assignments that I listed for the class. Now, in order to see the feedback that my professor left me, I first need to click on the assignment in question. So you will click on research proposal. I'm going to click here on context paper. And you can see over here on the right, there are some comments from me to my professor, and then from my professor back to me. But this is not necessarily the only thing I want you to pay attention to. Also want you to click on this button right here that says View Feedback. When I click on that, and then I click on the icon to expand the paper, I can see these other comments that my professor left for me within the body of my paper. And these are the kinds of comments that I left many of you in your research proposals. And at the very least, most of you have comments way down at the bottom, would be down here on the last page. That I left for you as well. So again, the only way that you can see that feedback is by going to grades, opening up the assignment in question, in your case research proposal, and then clicking on this button here that says View Feedback. If you're not able to see this, please let me know as soon as possible so we can figure out a way for you to see those comments.